Full details in the blog post linked in the description. The blog post will be kept up to date with any new details that appear. The issue might be that your AirPods have a poor connection with the device you are using. It would help to see if your AirPods still screech when they are connected to a different device. If they do not, it would mean that there is an issue with the connection. It might also be the case that you need to reconnect your AirPods, and it would help to try reconnecting them to your device. To reset and reconnect your AirPods, do the following. Forget the AirPods on the device you are using. Put your AirPods in the case. Press the button on the case for 15 seconds until they flash orange, then white. Reconnect your AirPods to your device. It could also be the case that the AirPods are broken. This would be more likely if they have been making the screeching sound regardless of the device they are connected to. It would also be more likely if only one AirPod makes the sound and if you recently dropped them or got them wet. In this case, the only option would be to take your AirPods to an Apple store to be fixed. It could also be the case that your AirPods need updating. To update the AirPods, you need to put them in the case while the case is being charged, then put a connected iPhone, Mac, or iPad near to the case. It might also be the case that there is an issue with the device your AirPods are connected to. This would be more likely if your AirPods only make the sound when they are connected to that device, and if other earphones also make a screeching sound when they are connected to that device. If the problem is only happening with FaceTime or Mac, some users have found that for some reason when the AirPods mic is enabled on FaceTime Mac, it results in the sound quality being bad. You can do this by pressing the Option key plus a volume button at the same time, then click the Input section, then change the mic being used. In some cases, it could be feedback from your AirPods. This happens when you turn the volume up too high on your device, or if you're standing too close to another microphone or speaker. Move away from other devices and turn the volume down. A number of users have found that it is necessary for them to reset their network settings. To do this on an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then Reset, and then go through the steps to reset network settings. If the issue is still there, it might be necessary for you to take the AirPods to an Apple store. It would help to take a look at the comments. I will also keep the blog post linked in the description, updated with any new fixes that appear.